Okay, so the question for this video was explain if you think whether the legal rule announced in this case is right as of ethical, philosophical, economic, or policy matter. First of all, I think it isn't ethical. I really had a hard time in this case just understanding that yes, this band did want to reclaim this term and drain it of its derogatory message that it's sending, but I think a society and the government especially has a hard time with allowing that to happen, just because people are going to get the wrong message, and it does just falsely suggest a connection with a person, even if they're living or dead. So I think that this case, ending it with not allowing that the band name them the slants is a correct and ethical thing to do. I think that's just what it came down to, and just whether if it was derogatory or not, I just think that this case's importance was if it was ethical or not. And then the other question was, if you could change the rule of law, would you not? I think I wouldn't change it because I think it's important that the government and all of us in that role is staying consistent, that it is not allowing people to use those kind of derogatory informations names. I do think that it is important that we stay consistent. I know there was a lot of media information online about this case that I read up on that also brought into the fact of like the NFL naming a team the Redskins, and in the case, bringing up different band names that were really inappropriate, like more inappropriate than, the slants. So I think that would be important that we keep the rule consistent, and that, the government has those regulations tight, so there isn't that much of a, big of a situation like this is, where it's consistent with the First Amendment, the Free Speech Clause, and also the Lanham Act. So that's all I got. I hope I had a really hard time with this case. It was harder for me just understanding it and throwing in the First Amendment and the Free Speech Clause. And so, but I did have fun learning about it, and there was so much research and so much information online. So have a great week. Thank you.